Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial and welcome back to No Max TV. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify as account if you want to log in. Maybe you are seeing this message which is saying that pick the image that is the correct way up. You may be or you may have been facing with this issue and you want to know how you can be solving this issue when it comes to verification process and when you want to be signing in or signing up to the given account on the given platform. Depending on the platform you are using, it may be requiring you to be providing this kind of verification where they are requiring you to pick up the image that is the correct way up. Most of the people are failing to choose the correct image which is best weighing up, and this tutorial is the one which we are going to be seeing how you can do this. If you did not subscribe to this channel now Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to be using this platform, and you can be accessing this platform, or you can use another platform if you are going to be signing in that platform or signing up in that platform, and you may be facing challenges in the platform. So what you have to do is that you are going to be creating an account here in this platform. So I'm sure that this platform require you to verify by choosing the correct image, which is best weighing up, as you see this message here. So, and I want to be choosing login with Google. So I want to log in is my Gmail account, which is signed in on my computer, so that I can proceed. So once I sign it in, you can see now there bringing the verification process or verification option, where they are going to ask me to choose the correct image which is weighing up. So as you see now here, I have an option to verify, and I have to verify this option. You see I have verify, and what I have to do, I have to choose verify. So what I have to do, I have to click here verify, and you see when I click verify, you can see I have various kind of animals, and you see they are having different positions, and I want to choose the one which is correct weighing up, as you see here, as this message says. They say pick the image that is the correct way up. So I have to pick the one which is the correct way up. So I choose this one, and you see to choose the correct which is the one which is correct way up. So let me go back and see. Yes, please wait. Yes, you see now, please solve this puzzle so we can know you are really the person we are. Yes, you are really the person who is trying to create an account, who is the ready person trying to enter this platform. So you can see various platform also providing this option to verify their accounts or their users. So reason why you have to verify. Now, I have to click now verify, and once I click the verify, when they say pick the image that is the correct way up, you have to see the image which is best standing. As you see, for example, we can choose this one, and if we choose this one, you see they say one is done, and you see now this one, you see this one, if we choose this one, you see they say it's done also. Now they say the second one was wrong. So the reason why they say that it was wrong is because we have chosen the first one which is correct and the second one which was not correct. So as you see the option they are showing here, it means that you have to choose the image which is weighing up like this. You have to choose the one which is standing up and not the one which is standing like this one. So now let me click try again. So see now, which means I click here, see the correct one which is weighing up, and here I come also here, the one which is weighing up, you see, and here also you see now this one is the best one which is weighing up compared to the others. You see they give me three options to verify, and now I can see that my account is the fully verified, I can continue or proceed by adding the phone number and proceed by signing in this account as I have chosen to sign in. So if you are also going to be signing up, you can choose the one you want to be signing up, but you have to follow all these steps to make sure that you verify the account which you have this image or which is requiring you to verify in this way. So if you have any issue, question, or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. And if you have any also concern, you may leave it in a comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. This is how you can verify your account by using this option. Thank you for watching this video. We will keep showing you various videos that can help you to be verifying or to be now benefiting from technology and also able to be verifying your accounts in various options and how you can even add verification status on your account.